Welcome, in front of me is a Vivo Y97 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull up your toggles by swiping upwards from the bottom right corner, and in here you'll find that one of the toggles should be our hotspot. So for me it is right over here, it's called Wi-Fi hotspot. So once you see it first time around, we're going to hold it. This will quickly take us to the settings. Now in here you want to navigate to hotspot configuration and then change the password, which will be randomly generated. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And click on done to save that change. And you can tap on the toggle right here to turn it on. It will give you the option to set how many megabytes the hotspot will use maximum while it's running right now, but these are all, to be honest, kind of low. This is an older device, so things like 100 megabytes, it seems a bit on the lower end. So anyway, you can select custom and for instance set something like 1000, which would be a 1 gigabyte. And you can see that it is enabled, and you can also quickly turn it on and off from here. Come on, there we go. Back on, and again off. So there we go. Now hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.